JYX Packaging, with 16 years of experience in packaging manufacturing and headquartered in Hong Kong, has grown into an international group with operations across Europe, the United States, Indonesia, and China, providing high-end, eco-friendly, and high-quality packaging solutions to clients worldwide. JYX operates two major factories located in Dongguan, China, and Jakarta, Indonesia. Our Dongguan factory covers 22,000 with over 800 employees, including 33 engineering designers and 32 sales and marketing staff. The factory is equipped with advanced machines such as the KBA 6C offset press, 4C offset press, Epson digital printer, laminating machine, hot stamping machines, and screen printing machine. With advanced machinery and exquisite craftsmanship, we produce 42,000 rigid boxes and 800,000 folding cartons per day, enabling us to fulfill large volume orders quickly while maintaining consistent top quality. Our Indonesia factory covers 7,800 with over 400 employees, including 20 engineering designers and 12 sales professionals. With Heidelberg's 6-color printing machines, paper bag machines, and flute laminating machine, hot stamping, and die cutting machines, it ensures flexible and reliable production support for local and regional clients. JYX employs over 1,200 people across Germany, the United States, China, Indonesia, and France, with a multilingual team ensuring smooth international communication. We combine local expertise with a global perspective, bringing unique experience to diverse countries and markets. For 16 years, we've delivered innovative packaging for cosmetics, perfume, fashion, spirits, and electronics. Trusted by over 500 premium brands worldwide, we committed to sustainability using biodegradable and recyclable materials, promoting green production, and delivering eco-friendly, premium packaging. JYX has achieved a wide range of internationally recognized certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, SA 8000, FSC, G7, and SMETA Audit. JYX offers one-stop services from creative design and prototyping to mass production, meeting diverse and personalized customers' needs, whether for small batch customization or large-scale manufacturing. We support our clients with flexibility, efficiency, and reliability, empowering their brands to succeed. We make paper dreams come true.